Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy smoothie. And I do this around 11 a.m. to break my fast so that I give my body good nutrition and I don't have cravings throughout the day. So I want to have all the best vitamins and minerals and oil and protein, all that. And I'm going to show you that today. So first you need a personal smoothie or blender container like this. Put it on your scale, zero out your scale, and then you can start to add your ingredients if this is your first time, if you're following a recipe. I use Macadamia Nut milk from Costco. This is the best nut milk you can use, the healthiest for its oils. And just pour that in. I put 200 milliliters in here as my base. And then you want to start to add your protein. I'm using organic raw hemp protein. And then what you do is you just take a scoop of that, and this is important. So again, zero out your scale and then go in grams for this. Put a scoop in, that's 47 grams. And you want to check that compared to the one serving size here. 30 grams is a serving, so I have 1.5 servings in that scoop. And I want to make sure I log that into my app. I use the Carb Manager app. I really like that. So that's what I'll be using. The next thing that I put in is some marine collagen. Marine collagen is good for your joints, your connective tissue. And I put half a scoop of marine collagen into my smoothie. And that's really good for your health. I'm a chiropractor, so I do talk to patients a lot about their joint health and collagen, how it helps their connective tissue, helps your hair and skin as well. So it's really great. I guess that's what it's more known for, is to help your complexion. This is cocoa, and just raw cocoa. And there's so many health benefits to cocoa as an antioxidant. I put half a scoop of cocoa in. It's a little bit bitter, but whatever you add after can balance that out, and we'll talk about that towards the end. So just, you can get some organic or natural cocoa, put that in. The next thing that I'm going to put in is chia and flax seeds. And this is good protein. And I'm gonna put in 15 grams, basically one serving here. So I'm gonna zero my scale out. And then I'm going to pour in 15 grams of this for my protein, digestive system, helps with your cholesterol, that kind of thing, okay? The next thing I put in is Maca. Now, this is for me what I put in for my own smoothie. You may not want to put this one in, but this is good for energy. And when I was losing a lot of weight last year, I added Maca to my smoothies and I really liked it. So I'm going to put a little bit of that into my smoothie, and it's just going to help with energy throughout the day, okay? The next thing, really important, is omega-3 oil, fish oil with vitamin D. It's a combination, and I like the nutritious brand. This is the grapefruit one, and so I'm going to pour in 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of this. So I'm going to zero my scale, pour in the 5 milliliters, and that's going to give my heart, my immune system, your brain, it works with everything. So that's really great too. And then I'm gonna add some turmeric. And there's a lot of research coming out about turmeric, curcumin, and the anti-inflammatory benefits of it. I just take a capsule, I break it up, and then I put that right into my smoothie. Just like that. Be careful with this one, because it can stain your counter, so don't let any of that fall on your counter. And then the next thing I have in here is olive oil. I like to have a little bit of extra virgin organic olive oil in my smoothie, and I just put, again, 5 milliliters of that. And that's gonna help balance out saturated fats in your bloodstream, polyunsaturated. It's gonna help balance your cholesterol profile, and so the more healthy fat you have, the more it helps balance out the unhealthy fat. So that's really important. Spirulina. This is organic spirulina, and I use this because it's a superfood. It's really green color. It's a powder. I put it into my smoothie. Spirulina, which is blue-green algae, has so much positive benefits. Just a little bit of that is going to really help your smoothie. Here's a full spectrum mineral supplement. Minerals are so important for our body. Sometimes I think we get deficient in certain minerals. This is a multi-mineral basically. It's got all the ingredients here on the side. I put that into my smoothie as well. And so I just break the capsule, put that in. I put all these capsules in the lid and I throw them out after. Stress vitamin B complex. This is my last one. I'm gonna have to order some more by Thorne. This is a very good B complex that's good for your brain. It's good for your chemistry. I put a whole capsule of that into my smoothie. And the other thing that I wanted to show you guys is these drops. Vitamin K2, D3, and vitamin A. I put a few drops of that into my smoothie as well. Those are really important vitamins. And that is it, you guys. I have a couple multivitamins that I'll talk about on another video that are men's formulas. I'll talk about that another time. They're in my bin as well. I'm gonna top this up with water. I'm gonna add a little bit of my favorite fruit, just a bit, and that's raspberries. So I'm gonna put a few raspberries in there, I'm gonna blend it up, and that's my smoothie combination. I'm still tweaking the smoothie to make it taste good and to be healthier. So I'm always working on that. I'll do another video in a few weeks and update you guys on what I found out. I'm always researching the best ingredients to go in a smoothie, how to stay healthy, and I'll be sharing that with you as we go along. So please follow me on social media, on YouTube here, and our podcast. Be happy to share with you my findings, how my journey's going, want to hear about you and your journey. I am taking new clients on at True North, so if you want some extra help, you can sign up for some one-on-one coaching. You can also sign up for our free webinars or our paid master classes. They're on our website, and you can follow our blog as well. There's always good information being shared on the blog. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you soon.